Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Chase Bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in Chase Bank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.chase.com. Just click on that first link. Now guys, you will be taken to the official website of Chase Banking. Now on the screen you can see the sign in button. Just click on that sign in button. It might take a while to loading, wait for it. Over here guys you can see the login form. Guys, you just need to enter your username over here. Similarly enter your password over here. And click on show button to see your password or confirm your password. And click on remember me for further use. But I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. If you want to use the token, just click on the use token button. And once you click on sign in button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your username or your password, just click on forgot username or password to recover your username or password. If you don't have any account of Chase Banking, just click on sign up button. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.